All right, here's the actual light fixture. If you guys can see, you could turn it up anywhere. You could go down to the side, either up. So we're gonna shine up here, and we have it connected already. It has an off and on switch. Very simple to install. All you make sure you just grab onto one screw here and the other one, and a regular plug in. So let's test it out and see how well it looks in the dark. All right, let's take a look at the ambient light. Beautiful, outstanding. It was very simple to install. You could twist it around if you want. You could have it facing down. So if you have a picture frame here, you could lower it down here. Or if you want to concentrate your lighting to one direction, you can do that. Direct to any direction you want. And this is going to the ceiling, and it's going to light up the entire area here. So I like this part right here. You can twist it anywhere you want, and it's very convenient. This is a light LED light strip. You guys can see that it shines the entire area here. It could be directional. It could move to any direction you want, and it doesn't have to be one way. It could be, like I said, be any way you want. So very simple, easy to install, easy to use. It took me about maybe 3 or 4 minutes to set it up because I had to run the cable through the back of the wall. But look at this, beautiful, outstanding light. Hope you guys enjoy the video.